Why? To learn digital marketing. Because it doesn't require technical knowledge.
Most of us are scared, but digital marketing is just about 10% technical. Most of it is related to your business. The one you are expert in. Mostly, your content, process and analytics. Victorrious Digital helps you identify your strength and direct them towards your digital mission.
Going digital is going right.
350 million internet users in India alone. When your neighbors search for a service or a product you offer, will they be able to find you on the most used search platforms?
It's about going traditionally digital.
We all are well aware of all our traditional methods of marketing. By learning the right ways of digital marketing at Victorrious Digital, you will find how to use those techniques digitally.
If you're selling, you need marketing.
78% of our students have been marketers, and your sales team should learn to market digitally.
If you are your only sales force, then our Certified Entrepreneurs program is the best that fits you. The most effective, yet most efficient way.
If you believe, with the right marketing, you can have both, more leads and higher conversion ratio, then what's stopping?
Digital marketing, once learnt, is free. Victorrious Digital Certified Program. Call us today.